Okay, CHS speech, I'm going to just show you how to make a Google form. Last time we did audience surveys, I made your Google Forms for you, but it's super easy. And to save my own sanity, I'm going to have you guys make your own. So you just need to go into Google, log into your school account, so make sure it's your Mars K-12 account. And then if you click on all of the dots for the menu to come up, you're just going to go to Google Drive, open that up. Excuse mine, it's going to have approximately 1,000 documents in it. As you can see, your little feedback forms from speeches past and the videos of our impromptu speeches, very exciting. Anyway, so in Google Drive, you are going to pick New, and then you're going to go down to More and hit Form, and that will take you to the Google Forms page, and this is where you will create your audience survey for your second persuasive speech. So in the top, you can just put, your name, just like I did. It'll automatically upload it there. And then you type your questions in here. So it's super, super easy. For this one, you need the same thing as last time, 3 different questions. So you need a fixed response. So it's already kind of set up for you. Multiple choice here. Here's where you can change the different types of questions, short answer, linear scale, etc., etc. So you'll do your first question, multiple choice, add your answers. See, it's gonna do me dirty. Add your answers. 1, as many as you need. 2, etc., etc. Okay, and then I always make sure to click required here. And then your second type of question is your ranked question. So you can go down here and do linear scale. If you start typing the question, it sometimes automatically understands because Google is intelligent, apparently. On a scale from 1 to 10, with 1 being not at, how much do you love Play-Doh? Sorry, there's Play-Doh in front of me. Okay, so then down here you can change your scale, and then obviously you can label 1, not at all. Love it. And then hit required so you know that everybody's going to answer it. And then you'll add your third question, which is going to be short answer. I always do paragraph, or I did for you guys. I don't know how short answer is. So just to be safe, do the short answer and then ask your open-ended here and then click required. And then before you send it to me, you're going to go to settings and hit collect email addresses. And you can unclick restrict to users in Mars Area School District because for some reason that screws it up. So hit save. And then here, I just want you to add me as a collaborator. So it's just the reverse. So you're going to add me. It should say that you're the owner, and then you're going to type in my email, which is dcelbot@marsk12, and you'll hit send so that I can collaborate with you. And then, I don't know if it'll yell at me because I'm the same person. We'll see. Once you've done that, hit done. And then you are going to hit send. And I want you to email it to me so that I can take your link and send it to the rest of the class. So I'll just forward your links to the rest of the class. So email it to me. I think this is probably going to be the best option, is to just do it via email. I don't know. Yeah, let's just do it via email because you're only sending it to me. So again, dcelbot. When you invited me to collaborate, you invited me as an editor. This is actually inviting me to fill out the form, which we obviously need to send to the rest of the class. And then you'll hit send. And then it will send me a copy of your survey that I can then forward to the rest of the class. So that is how to make a survey in Google Forms. You're welcome.